So we know standard form numbers. Like for example, if I write this down, this number is actually 12,000. But we were learning about the difference between scientific notation and expanded form. Let's start with expanded form, EF, just for a moment. If we take this 12,000, there's a 0 in the ones column, a 0 in the tens column, a 0 in the hundreds column, but we have 2 in the thousands column, so 2,000, and 1 in the 10,000s column. So we're writing this number in expanded form. We take the 1, and it's 1 multiplied by 10,000. What we say is 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 is, in exponential form, is actually 10,000. And then we add that to the 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power 3 is 1,000. 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. And since we have zeros, we don't really have to do anything with them. Essentially, that's expanded form right there. Scientific notation is a little bit different. With scientific notation, you always have two numbers, okay? And in scientific notation, the first number is between 1 and 10, and the second number is what we say a power of 10, okay? But what we do, and we take that 12,000, and we say, okay, the decimal normally goes here, even though it's not written there, that's where it goes. We move it back 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That means we're moving, every time we move back, we're moving back by a power of 10. So what we can say is that the first number in our scientific notation is 1.2, okay, and the second number, as a multiply, is equal to 10 to the power of 4. The 4 represents how many times we actually move the decimal point back. Let's try that with another example. Let's say we have 3, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is 328 million. The decimal, even though it's not written, goes there. What we want to do is we want to move the decimal from here all the way to right here. Okay? By doing that, you'll have a number of 3.28 at the beginning. It moves back once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So we say that 328 million in scientific notation is 3.28 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8. Scientific notation is used for very large numbers and very small numbers. We'll just deal with the larger numbers and save the smaller numbers for another time.